Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. Today I am going to be doing a lift you up a little bit higher, a flip cup spin. And what I love about the flip cup spins is that they totally random. Don't get those circle things going on that the pour spins get. And they create weird stuff. How's it get any better than that? I like weird stuff. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix up a little bit of purple. And that is my Rotorua Crimson Red mixed with some ultramarine from Reeves. And this is just what was left over in my pot from the last pour of the Rotorua, of the Reeves. So just going to mix that up, and then I'm going to pour in some of the iridescent. Where did I find that? There it is. And that's going to lighten it up a bit. Not much. It'll give it some metallic-y shine to it, and also expand the amount we've got. Now, that looks absolutely delicious. It's going to darken when it dries, but I'll put a little bit more iridescent in there. There we go. Now the iridescent medium does have sort of a whitishness to it. It does lighten your colours. Can you see the sparkle in that? Alright, so that's going to be the bottom of my flip cup. And adding to that, I'm going to add Viridian Hue, Payne's Grey, and Gold. How's it get any better than that? Let's see what magic those colours create. Just going to put just a little bit of the Payne's Grey, not too much because it spreads something chronic. My Viridian Hue, I do like this colour. And then my Gold. And then I'm going to go around again. Drop a bit of Payne's Grey on this side this time. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to smear some Payne's Grey on the paint on the record before I pour. Just so that it's can move with ease. And let's last of that Viridian Hue in. Now, you can probably tell by how close my hand is to the camera that I'm pouring this from up high. So it goes in and just mixes right through all the layers, hopefully. So let's get that Payne's Grey back out again. Actually, I'm going to do the flip cup first. Are you ready? 1, Okay, how have I prepared my record? I have prepared my record by wiping it down with alcohol. I have not sealed anything. I have not done anything other than putting a bit of sellotape across the hole at the back. I haven't sealed it because, you know what, I'm using green, blue, purpley kind of colours, and it's a green label. So, hey, if it comes through, how's it getting any better than that? Ready? 1, 2, 3, boop. Let's get that into the centre. There we go. And then I'm gonna pour Payne's Grey. And then I'm gonna get my spatula. And just spread it all the way around. Just making sure the whole of the record is covered, and that way the paint that comes out of the flip cup, whatever comes out, however much there is, whatever happens, the whole record's covered, alright? And then we can go from there. Let's go! Just gonna wipe my hand. Way too much Payne's Grey on my hand. Oh, what are you doing in there? Alright, so I've got my children's pottery wheel. Check out the description for a link to Amazon. Oh, I'm not going to turn that on yet. I haven't taken the cup off. No wonder I couldn't find it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, pretty. I like the cup too. Oh my god, that purple's just delicious. I'm gonna get some more of that purple out of there because that's just beautiful. I like it. Right, let's see what gets created now. Ready? I hope it's centered. How cool is that? Wow. I love it. I need to get that chunk out, whatever that chunk is, but gigantic great chunk. The cells are coming through. Wow. Oh my goodness, I like it. The only thing that I would change is how black that patch there is. So I'm just gonna see if tilting will do anything. Probably not. Okay, I'm going to turn it on again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. There's just a little bit of it left now. I'm happier now. It has zigzagged a bit more, but that's okay. I like that. I like that a lot. Look at the gold. Wowza. Alright, I'm going to get the gun. Oh, check out my hand. It's rather black. Take the gloves off. Ugh. Gross. There's so much paint on my gloves. It's squirting. I decided to take them off into the sink, which was a really good choice. Alright. Let's give it a... Because I've got the box on there, I'm going to use the little gun. Don't call it a gun. It's not a gun. I have it taken off me if I call it a gun in New Zealand. I'm going to use the little torch. That's what I'm meaning. Alright. And give it a swipe all the way across. A lot of the silicone has already come to the top, and yet as I do this I'm seeing a lot more coming up. That's very cool. Lots of little cells. Oh, that's pretty. I better get you down and show you this because it's super pretty. I'm going to take the box off and try and get a really good view of it for you though. Hold on. Okay, that's better. That's a lot more like what colours I'm seeing. Okay. So you can see lots of little dents in there. But when we get up closer, they're actually little cells. They're so cool. And we've got that purple with the iridescent in it. Oh, yummy. And gold. I like gold, LLC. The gold cells have kind of broken apart a little bit there, but... Oh, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, look at that little lacy kind of bit there. How's it get any better than this? I like it. So guys, flip cup, spin. It's super cool. I'm looking forward to seeing how this one dries. What magic gets created with it. And yeah. Let me know in the comments what you can see in this one. Alright, I'll be back really soon in your time with the dried result. So here it is, all finished and glistening in the sun. I brought it out here in the sun to show you how beautiful these colours are, as long as it doesn't blow it out for me. Sorry about my hand shadow, but yes, it's beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's so beautiful. It gets really dark on the inside, and I have just noticed, hadn't seen that inside, there you go, it has done a weird pocky thing. Oh, hello, little butterfly. Hey, butterfly. Where are you? It's a monarch butterfly come to visit. How did we get so lucky? So I will see what that does. And I don't know what will create that. What will create the most? If I resin it, what will that create? If I don't resin it, what will that create? And how does it get any better than this? So thanks for joining me. If you want to have fun with, share your fun with acrylics, come join us on Acrylic Pouring for Fun Facebook group, and I look forward to hearing your comments or your questions in the comments below. Subscribe if you want more of my videos. And what else is possible? How much fun can we have? See you guys. Bye.